Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what's in the jug. You must verify the palm oil is pure vegetable oil. Palm oil naturally has no cholesterol. This step prevents chasing a non-problem. Once done, measure free fatty acidity and moisture because those determine the next chemical steps. Heat the oil to 60-80 degrees to lower viscosity, then add alkali for neutralization if required. Make sure to have filters, a centrifuge or settling tank ready, because solids and soaps are removed immediately after neutralization. Next, you refine the oil to remove non-lipid contaminants and residual sterol-type compounds. After neutralization, you add bleaching earth or activated carbon at 1 to 3%. These absorb pigments, oxidation products, and any trace sterol-like molecules. Stir under vacuum or inert gas to prevent oxidation, then heat to 70 to 90 degrees for efficient adsorption. Once adsorption is complete, you filter or centrifuge to strip out spent adsorbent and soap stock. Make sure to monitor clarity and peroxide values as you proceed. In the final stage, you polish and deodorize the oil to remove volatile off-flavors and any remaining high-boiling components. You can steam deodorize or perform short-path molecular distillation. This selectively removes heavier sterol-like compounds and trace contaminants. Once done, cool under inert gas and perform analytical checks, peroxide value, color, and a sterol profile if removal was needed. If values are out of spec, reprocess with an extra adsorption pass. One troubleshooting tip: if color persists, check adsorbent dose and contact time and repeat bleaching as necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.